Hi there, students. To consign, okay, to consign, a verb. A consignment, a countable noun. You could have the consigner or the consignee, the person that consigns something. Okay, let's look at this group then. To consign, to send something to somebody. So the goods that you ordered in internet have been consigned to you by via a transport company. You could have a consignment, an amount of goods, a quantity of something that is sent somewhere. So I received a consignment of cloth from India, a delivery, yeah, a truckload, a shipment, yeah. It was a consignment. Somebody consigned it to me. Somebody sent me the consignment. Okay, you can consign somebody or something to an unpleasant place, to an unpleasant situation. So I think these old shoes should be consigned to the dustbin. The bankruptcy consigned us to a life of poverty. Yeah, so to consign, to send or assign something to an unfavorable position. Yeah, the enemy sailors were consigned to a watery grave. Okay, you can consign something, set it apart for a special use, to assign. So this piece of land has been consigned for the growing of corn, for example. Okay, so to consign, wow. To consign, to hand something over to somebody else, to give it to into somebody else's care. Yeah, so I consigned the keys to my house to my friend while I was away on holiday. In commerce, in business, to consign something, to send goods to somebody, to send a consignment, a truckload, a boatload to somebody. You can sell something on consignment. Yeah, this means that you have been given goods to sell, but you only have to pay them after you've been sold. Yeah, so I was given a quantity of jewellery to sell on consignment. So I sold half of it and I gave the vendor the money for half of it, and then I gave the rest of it back. Okay, and that's the idea of on consignment. Okay, so to consign, to give something to somebody's keeping. So he consigned the wardrobe to the auctioneer. Yeah, he assigned it, he allocated it. Yeah, the package was consigned to a shipping container. Okay, you can consign somebody to get rid of them, to put them in a nasty place. So this rubbish should be consigned to the waste paper. Yeah. Okay, so to consign, to give over to somebody else's care. Yeah. While I'm away, I'm going to consign the care of my garden to my next door neighbour. Okay, to transfer, to send something to somebody, yeah, to consign to something to oblivion, yeah, to send to an agent to be sold. So he consigned the jewelry for sale. Okay, you see here we've got all sorts of different meanings. So to consign something to a place, to send it somewhere where it will be forgotten, yeah, where it doesn't want to be. So his work was consigned to the basement of the museum. Yeah, it was time to consign his dancing clothes to the cupboard. Yeah, okay, something is consigned to history, it's put away to history, it's relegated to history. Okay, so to consign, to put into the care of somebody else. He consigned the documents to the flames, to commit irrevocably. To consign somebody to jail, to prison, to consign something to somebody's address, to deliver, for sale, for disposal. Okay, so let's see, formality, to consign. I'm going to give it, I think, a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or formal writing. Informally, to send, to give, to put, something like that. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin consigno, con with, and signo, a mark or a seal or a stamp. Yeah, so it's stamped for some specific purpose is the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To consign, a consignment.